ಪ್ರಥಮ ಬಾರಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸಫಲರಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡುವುದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯಲೇಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಹಠ ತೊಟ್ಟಿ 2ನೇ ಬಾರಿ 90% ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೆಗೆದಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದ ಗೀತಾ. ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡರು ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರು ಪಾಸಾದ ನಂತರ ಅವರ ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಗೀತಾಂಜಲಿ. ನಾನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PU ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕಲಿಯುವ ಕಾರಣವೆಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಬೇರೆಯವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ಕೌಶಲ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಆನಂತರ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ IEST ಟೋರಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡೆ. ಈಗ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಸರಳವಾಗಿ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
So welcome for the re-interview process. Yes, so I think you had completed your course and you are re-giving the test. Okay, I hopefully you will pass this test and you come out with the beautiful colors and you will get the certificate. Okay, yes, so shall we start the interview? Okay, fine. Okay. Yes, hi Geeta, how are you?
Yes, I am fine, thank you. What about you, ma'am?
I am also fine, dear, thank you. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಡೋರ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಸ್ ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲಂಚ್?
I had Anna Sambar in lunch. What you had in lunch?
I had Anna Sambar, same in lunch. Okay, so where are you?
I am in room.
Okay, so what are you doing?
I am sitting in giving interview.
Very good. Okay, are you sitting on chair?
Yes, I am sitting on the chair.
Okay, who is in hall?
Nobody is in hall.
Who is in kitchen?
Nobody is in kitchen.
Where is your mother?
My mother is in front of me.
Okay, where is your father?
My father is going to work.
Okay, what your mother do?
My mother is garments worker.
Okay, what your father do?
My father is carpenter.
Okay, so why you learnt English?
To become successful in English and myself.
Very good. So are you satisfied learning English in our tutorial?
Yes, I am satisfied learning.
Okay, how many marks do you give to yourself?
I will give my marks 9 marks.
Very good. Yes, Geeta, introduce yourself. Introduction. Give your introduction.
My name is Geetanjali. I am studying commerce in PU College. My college name is Jnanagara PU College.
Okay. Yes. So just tell your routine. What you did today?
I am get up in the morning, went to the bathroom. I did the bed. I washed the face, changed the dress, put it on the dress, drink the milk, ate the breakfast. I was getting ready. No, I give it interview.
Very good. Yes. Yes. So now it's a grammar test. Okay. Yes. Tell me what is noun.
This is a name.
Okay. What is pronoun?
Plus of noun.
Yes. What is verb?
Verb is a action.
Very good. Yes. Tell 48 verbs with meaning in Kannada.
Go andre hogu, come andre ba, sit andre ನಿಂತ್ಕೋ, stand andre ನಿಂತ್ಕೋ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತೆರೆ, ಓಪನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಚ್ಚೋದು, ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮರ್ತೋದು, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆನ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಸರ್ಚ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶೋಧಿಸೋದು, ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು, ರೈಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋರಾಟ, ವಿನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲು, ಲರ್ನರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಲಿಯೋದು, ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಲಿಸೋದು, ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಳೋದು, ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್, ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಡೋದು, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಿಟಾರ್, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಡಿಸೋದು, ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲಗೋದು, ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್, ಹೊಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ರನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಡೋದು, ವಾಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಡೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಲಿಯೋದು, ರೀಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓದೋದು, ಟೇಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಗಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಬೈಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಾಟ, ಕರಿಗಿಸೋದು. ರಿಪೇರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಚರಣೆ.
Very good. Very good, Geeta. So now it's prepositions time. Okay. So you learned prepositions. Okay. Just show me the chair prepositions with all positions. Yes.
I am sitting on the chair. I am front of the chair.
Yes.
I am sitting behind the chair.
Okay.
I am sitting under the chair.
Yes.
I am sleeping under the chair.
Okay. Yes.
I am standing behind the chair.
Yes.
I am standing behind the chair.
Yes. Very good.
I am standing behind the stand.
Yes. Okay. No problem. Okay. So just show what is behind the door. Behind the door.
I am standing.
Yeah.
I am standing behind the door.
Yes.
I am standing behind the door.
Yes. Okay, fine. So now you go to your kitchen. Okay. Let's talk about your kitchen. Fine. Yes. So now we will just show the kitchen vocabulary. Kitchen vocabulary andre kitchen ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ items English names ಹೇಳಿ. Okay. Just tell the kitchen vocabulary. Start.
Is on the shelf. Mixie is on the shelf.
Yes.
Shirt is on the shelf.
Yes.
Is on the shelf.
Yes.
Pot is on the shelf.
Yes.
Oil bottle is on the shelf.
Yes.
Sugar is on the shelf.
Yes. Okay. Now you show what is under the shelf. Under the shelf.
I am sitting under the shelf.
Yes.
Onion is under the shelf.
Yes.
Tomato is under the shelf.
Yes.
Chili is under the shelf.
Yes.
Cucumber is under the shelf.
Yes.
Cylinder is under the shelf.
Yes.
Banana is under the shelf.
Yes.
Box is under the shelf.
Yes.
Water is under the shelf.
Yes. Okay. Now show what is inside the jars. Plastic jars.
Ackee is rice is in the jar.
Hmm.
Oil is in the jar.
Hmm.
Maida is sunflower is in the jar.
Very good.
Sugar is in
Yes.
the jar.
Hmm. Very good, Geeta. Very good. So come out and go to the showcase and show the showcase vocabulary whichever you had learned. Yes.
Open the showcase.
Yes.
I take it Krishna. I take it out Krishna.
Hmm.
I keep inside Krishna is showcase.
Yes.
I take it
Hmm.
outside. I keep it inside the
Very good.
showcase.
Yes. Now.
Close the
Very good. Very good. Now just show what is outside your house. What is outside
outside.
outside your house? Yes. Tell me what is outside your house. Just show me. Yes. What is?
I am standing in front of house
Yes.
with
Yes.
bulb,
Yes.
wall,
Yes.
door,
Yes. Then what else is there in front of your house?
in front of a tree,
Yes.
building.
Yes. Okay, fine. Okay, go inside the room. Okay, now we will start the descriptive learnings. Go inside the room. Yes, now sit down. Yes. Just describe. Now it's conjunctions. It's description time. Okay. Tell me about your mother.
My mother name is Lakshmi. My mother is love it very much. My mother, I love my mother. My mother cooking is very
Hmm?
much. My mother good lady. My mother also supports me.
Very good. Yes. Now you tell about your college.
My college is Jnanaganga PU College. My college is one of the Mysore. My college is very good rooms. My teacher and teaching is very good teaching. My principal is very good sir. People and grounds very. Classroom is very good. And teacher and my father and friends also support me in college.
Very good, very good. So, how many subjects you learn in college? What are the subject names? Hmm.
Accountancy, business studies, economics, computer science, Kannada, English.
Very good. Yes. So, now you tell about your hobbies, favorite color, favorite actor. Who is your favorite actor? Okay. Just tell about your hobbies. What are your hobbies?
My hobby, cricket, game, song, dance, drawing, writing. My favorite hero Darshan. My favorite heroine Sunila. My favorite color pink. My favorite vegetable. My favorite juice grape. My favorite place Gokushme Betta. My favorite bike orange.
Very good. So, who is your favorite? Your father or mother?
Mother.
ಓಕೆ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ಇದೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್. ಎಸ್, ನೌ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್, ಕನ್ನಡ ಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಷನ್. ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ.
Ma'am, I reading in doubt in questions again repeat.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
I don't understand you.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನನಗೆ ಅಡಿಷ್ನಲ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Please giving addition sheet.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ.
I am going to college by bus.
ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ತಲುಪಿದೆ.
I reached in college.
ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ 7:30 ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ.
I am going to college at 7:30 a.m. in morning.
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನೈಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
I listen to lesson properly.
ನಾನು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿದೆ.
I completed homework.
ನನಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ರಜಾ ಇದೆ.
Tomorrow is Sunday.
ಎಸ್. ಟೆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್.
He is my very good friend. Is my Ganesh. Very intelligent boy. He is very also support me. He helps me and studies. He is the friend of friend. He is very also care and take me.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕೋಪ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಖುಷಿನೇ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ದಿನ ಚಾಟಿಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ದಿನ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಳಬೇಡ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡಬೇಕು, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ ಗೀತಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಎಸ್,
Thank you.
ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಬಾಯ್.
Congratulations, Geeta, on getting the certificate of basic English speaking. Wish you all the very best for your future. ಹೀಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೇವೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಹೀಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನೀವು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಲೀರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.